Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details, and I want to do a quick kind of demo for you guys of a leather cleaning mitt that has been on the market for just a few months now. Carl Gamba over at Clear Finish Solutions found a really fantastic product and even made it more durable. You can see I've got a work truck in, coming close. You can see the leather, pleather, vinyl, whatever you want to call it. It's not real leather, but it is pretty heavily soiled. You come in here, that should not be that color. So I want to share with you guys, we've got Superior Products leather cleaner. It's my favorite leather cleaner for especially heavily soiled surfaces. We're working in a little bit of a warmer climate. I know many of you know that I love the VLR brush, and this is essentially the VLR brush times 2, so that you can clean surfaces faster. We're trying to make this kind of nice and neat here. We'll do a 50-50 for those of you who enjoy that kind of thing. You can see I can come in here and get in those tighter seams pretty easily. We got into all of those tight texture spaces. Here's our before, here's our after. You don't even have to put your hand in the mitt if you don't want to. That way you can kind of get into those tighter spaces a little bit more comfortably. And then when you're done, you can just kind of come in here, rinse it off, and squeeze it out, and you're good to go for the next seat. Gonna come in here, we have our vinyl leather mitt. And look how quickly we are able to deep clean. That's uncleaned. We're just gonna keep moving. We're just gonna mop up. Alright, and just like that, you can see how great we can deep clean quickly. You can get into tighter spaces. You don't necessarily have to put your hand in the mitt. You can kind of push down to get those seams. But when you use these two products together, you can get fantastic results quickly. So for any of you who want to speed up your leather cleaning game, you don't have to use these fancy detail brushes and come in here and agitate. While it may feel very artistic and delicate, when you've got fleet vehicles or dirty work trucks that maybe you're just wanting to pound them out, get in, get out, I'm gonna put the link for both of these products down below.